my legs. I can't feel my legs. Oh my god, that's so fucked up. I actually can't feel my legs. Wow, that can't be okay. Oh, am I okay? Oh my god, am I actually okay? Shit. Ah. Oh no. Oh my god, son of a bitch. You guys, this is your official warning. Run, do not walk to Pretty Little Thing. You'll thank me. So, I may have done some damage online. Oh yeah. I needed some new clothes because clearly I don't have any. But you know, we can never have too many, right? Anyway, we're changing the seasons, so I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to just like switch it up a bit and just try a few bits. Try stuff that's a bit out of my comfort zone, you know? So I thought I'd chat to you guys, and then I'm also going to like insert some pictures, because I am trying to film my whole damn self, and clearly your girl needs a bigger room, because I cannot get my whole fucking body in one like square. YouTube, sort it out. Like, it's probably me, to be fair. But I just hate how it's like the rectangle. No, so much easier on your phone, you can do it that way. Anyway, so I'm just going to have to lay it over the top. So I'm sorry with however this turns out, but it is what it is. We're working with it, girls, we're working with it. And boys. So what did I get? I'm going to do the like classic. Wait. Is that everything? Yeah, if you can see what my floor looks like now. Mess. I have actually opened some things, I'm not going to lie. I just wanted to make sure that some of the stuff like fit first before I look like an idiot and did a video on it. Although there's one thing that, yeah, it's ridiculous and I'll have to show you guys because that's just not working for me. Let's start with a pair of leather trousers. They're actually faux leather trousers, so do not worry. I've taken them all out of the bags and then put them back in their bags again, stupidly. And none of them match now, so I can't even tell you what the code is, but I promise I will link everything for you below. These are some wide leg leather trousers and I really loved them. So you guys, these are actually not from the tall range. Normally I am, well, I say normally I'm 5'9". I'm always 5'9", but normally I try and shop in the tall section, but there's just not as much like choice, and so it just gets a bit boring. So anyway, these are actually fine with me. So if you're a bit of a taller gal, you'll be fine, because I am. So these are basically high-waisted, just a normal like buttoned up kind of vibe with some pockets, which is super handy. And they've got kind of like, I'd say like a pleat down the front of them, so just straight down the front. And then they're super wide legged, which I absolutely love. I think they're amazing. Like, I literally love them. The material is like super soft, sorry. I got them in a size 10. So I normally tend to be like an 8, 10. I have put on a bit of weight since Christmas. I lost loads of weight and then I put it back on again. You know, that's fine. I'm more than happy with how I look at the moment. Because they're a little bit more high-waisted, sometimes it can be a bit annoying because around my waist, then I tend to be a lot smaller. I've got a really skinny waist. So annoying, because then around your hips you're bigger. Well, I'm bigger. So I wanted something that was just a lot more flattering, because I don't really like my legs that much. Like I said, I'm trying to embrace it, but you know, we've still got our hangouts, haven't we? And my idea was, I was going to pair them originally with a top. It was going to be this kind of vibe, which is like a little corset kind of you know what I mean? Looks super cute on the website. So that was me thinking, oh, I'll be fine. I'll get a size 8 because that's what I normally am on top. Could I get this over my boobs? I literally tried to even take my bra off. I was like, right, your girl needs a boob job, okay? But I tried it anyway because I was like, I'm going to get in this fucker. I fucking paid for it. I'm going to get in it. Could I fuck? No, sorry, I couldn't. So it normally just does up at the back, and I was really disappointed in this, and to be honest, I think you need a boob job with it because it's a very kind of thin fabric. I loved the kind of bone structure. I thought it looked super cute. So if you girls have got like, potentially even if you've got like a smaller chest, if you don't have like massive boobs, which is not a problem at all, I think it looks great. You could probably get away with this. It's also sleeveless as well. I will show you footage of me trying this on and failing because that was terrible. There was no way this fucker was going up. Like I say, if you're a little bit smaller in your cup size, then I'd say you'd be okay. Otherwise, try and maybe size up. I'd say maybe even 2 sizes, because honestly, I think even if I got a 10, I'd probably be struggling to get in this. And normally I can comfortably fit in an 8. What pisses me off about winning sizing, like, no wonder everyone's got a fucking hang up. Like, what's their problem? So instead, what I thought I'd do is team those trousers with this little number. So this is just like a long sleeve knitted jumper, and it's got like a cow neck. Is it cow neck? I want to say it's cow neck. Basically where like it's got like a rolled neck, like a turtleneck type thing. I know what I mean. It's kind of like shorter at the front, which I quite like, and then it's a bit longer at the back, but it also has this cutout. I don't know if you guys can see, you'll be able to see it better on me. I either wear like a stick-on bra, I tend to wear like tape if I'm doing it, because my boobs do not stay up in any form. Anything that says to you, oh yeah, doesn't matter what your cup size, you're gonna look great in this. No, my boobs are like, fuck you. Absolutely not, you're going to look shit. So that's what I do. I tape them up and I look wonderful. I look fucking beautiful. Just tape them up, girls, tape them up. I'm in my 30s now, so I need a bit of help. So that's because of the backless opening. You could also potentially get like, you know, backless, like I say, a backless bra or something like that. Or you could even do like one that's like a kind of like, what am I thinking of? Halter neck type stitch. However, I have found that because the back, where it comes down to, it does still show your bra line, like as in your clasp. So it's just a bit annoying because it just, yeah, isn't really in the right place. But I fucking love the colour. I think it's a beautiful fabric, so well made, and it's really thick actually. But because it's a crop top, I thought it'd be perfect for like spring and then the warmer days that we've been having where the sun's out at the moment. Because I don't know about you guys, but my house is like a fucking greenhouse at the moment, so I'm quite enjoying this shit. So yeah, I thought they'd look nice together. Team it with a pair of heels or, you know, something like that, and you're good to go. Let's stick with the same jumper because you know exactly what the vibe is. Of course, your girl got it in a different colour. I see something I like and I'm like, right, I'm going to get it in every single colour. So I got the blue one and I thought this was really cute, especially because I've got blue eyes, dark hair. You'd look great even whatever colour hair you had of this and skin tone. I think it would look fucking beautiful. And again, like really spring-like colour. I thought it was stunning. And I thought what I could do is wear it with like some white jeans. These ones, sorry, I haven't told you what sizes I've got those in. I'm really sorry. The blue one I got in extra small, so clearly that's like, don't know, it's not really helpful, is it? And this one I got in a small. I think I wanted to get them both in either or, and to be honest, there's not really much in them, so I wouldn't really feel like there's a great deal. So yeah, either would be absolutely fine. And then, sorry, yeah, I'm just going to team it with either jeans, like grey jeans, or I was thinking white jeans, perfect for the springtime. These skinny, I know everyone's saying, TikTok especially is saying skinny jeans are out. I don't fucking believe a word of it. I love a good skinny jean. I'm going to forever have a good skinny jean. So these ones are the new look. They're from the Tall range and they're called Jenna. These are actually in a size 12. These have actually got a stretch to them, so they're okay. Sometimes with jeans, I just like to size up a little bit because they can be quite restrictive and I've got bigger thighs, so I just try and, I like to feel the comfort, I don't like to feel too restricted. So that was my idea with that. And then I could again put it with like trainers, wedges, heels, that kind of thing. Depends whether I want a more casual or more kind of dressed up vibe, and that's what I was thinking. So yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of shit down these jeans, especially probably makeup, but I'm here for it. Next up, probably sticking with those same jeans. I was then also thinking, or I could put again with the grey jeans, I was thinking I could put this kind of top with it. So this is like a little crop top that's just a pink one, pink little number. It's almost like got flecks of white in it, and it's just a really pretty pink. I never normally go for bright colours, and literally so many people say to me, oh, you wear like dark colours. So I'm trying to be like out of my comfort zone here, just with a few little like jumpers, and then at least it's a bit of colour. It's actually quite fitted like around you, but I'm guessing as you wear it more it will probably become a bit more oversized, because that tends to be what happens with this sort of fabric as the elastic kind of goes a bit like, you know, gets a bit weaker. This one's in a size small, so I got that as well. I tend to try and stick to like small on the top if I'm going for top, or extra small, but I tend to not try and go there unless it's like an oversized kind of baggier look. That's my kind of vibe. And this one is again long sleeved, and you're fine, your girl is fine with this, with her arm width, arm span. I mean, you can see how long. Look, long arms. I'm fine with this. By the way, with those jeans that I just showed you that with, the white ones, they actually came up really long on me, which was hilarious because I was like, oh, for God's sake, you can't win. Like, honestly, so I just bunch them up a little bit, or tuck them up into side and just at the bottom, and you're good to go just at the cuff. Okay, next, I got a bit adventurous and I was like, fuck it. If I'm going out, I'm going all out. So I wanted to get some boyfriend jeans, and I fucking love these. These are beautiful. They're kind of like a stone-washed blue, I'd say. Is that even a thing? They've got massive rips in, like over the knees and stuff, and like really big one there. I don't know whether I actually did that when I got out of the car, because I have worn these. I just wanted to try them out, you know, just make sure. These are really comfortable, super wide leg, really, really flattering, I find. And I got these in a size 10 actually. So that goes against everything that I've just said to you about how I get a size bigger. But I kind of thought, because these are oversized anyway, I thought, do you know what, I'm going to give it a whirl. I'd like to get it in my normal size. Because they're not high-waisted and because they're meant to be more low-rise around your hips, baggy, you could get them a size bigger if you wanted them to be stupidly comfortable, but I didn't want them to be like too baggy. And then they're just designed to literally just like ride like sort of just above your hips or like on your hips, and I really like them. I just think they look cool. If you were more like daring, you could like open your button up and, you know, if you wanted to, and have a more chilled vibe, you know, but it literally is like you've borrowed your boyfriend's jeans, and I fucking love them. And I'm a tall girl, as I said. I don't know where their accent came from, I'm not from London, but basically these are really cool. I just love them. I think they're super cute, super comfortable. Again, the wide leg really fucking helps, and they're just stunning. Love them. So with those, obviously you can team it with anything I've kind of done so far, but I wanted to do a top situation with this, and bear with me because this is kind of like layering, okay? So this is like the first piece. Of course, what happens when you try white on, you're going to get fucking makeup on it, aren't you? So yeah, I've already got it on already and I'm really upset. We'll just ignore the kind of like neckline at the moment because it looks absolutely terrible, and around the shoulders, don't know how I've done that. I've clearly got it off like a giraffe is taking something off. So just ignore the marks on it because I didn't want to like fucking wash it again and then have to like delay filming this for you guys. So let's just roll with it. Promise you I won't go out looking like this. Jokes, probably will. So this is like a little crop kind of racer top style, like racer back style. The annoying thing is with your bra straps, it is very annoying. I'd say probably go strapless, or again tape up if you want to. However, beware with this, it is quite see-through. Just be, you know, mindful of what you're putting underneath. This one I got in a size 8 and it is just a crop top situation. I wanted to then over the top get a cropped jacket. Now I've seen these fucking everywhere and I'm obsessed with them. I've also paired this with many other things and it looks really cool, which I'll show you in a minute. This black kind of long sleeve cropped jacket. This one is in a size 6 because actually it's all, I think they have left them into my size, so I'm hoping I've done a restock on it and you guys can get your size, but it is oversized anyway, so if there are only just kind of smaller sizes left, please don't be like terrified to go a size down because actually it's completely fine, and even on the arms it's actually quite baggy, so I quite liked it. So that one looked super cute. And then on the bottom I wanted some white trainers, you guys, and this is hilarious because I never wear trainers, so I'm trying like a different vibe. Trainers. I'm a size 7 and these are actually coming up quite small, so I did get a 7, but I wouldn't recommend getting a 7. I have worn these out, as you can see, that's why they're disgusting. Sorry about that. I wore them around a park to walk the dogs. The only thing I would say is that these I think are from the wide range and they are super wide, so they are very like baggy, so I had to tie them up quite a lot. But again, it's meant to be kind of like a slouchy sort of look, really thick kind of base on them. Yeah, I just thought they were quite cool. They're not going to stay this white for long, let's be serious, but I thought they looked quite cool. So that's those. And then I also thought with that same outfit with the kind of jacket on the top, eventually for when I'm feeling myself and it gets a little bit warmer, I thought I could put this little bralette underneath the cropped jacket and just wear it with jeans and potentially like trainers or whatever, or heels to dress it up a little bit, and yeah, just wear a little bralette underneath. So that was cute. I think the bralette I got in a size 10. Never get a size 10. Maybe I did that by accident. Pfft. Oh well, it's fine, it works. Maybe I thought because I've got kind of bigger boobs, maybe that's what I kind of was going with. I'm like a D cup, so I thought maybe that's where I went with there. Because sometimes if I get like a smaller size, it doesn't quite cover everything. And no one wants a nip slip, do they, when they're out? Well, it depends where you are, I guess. Anyway, next up, then I bought this, which is just like a little kind of basic sort of crop top, like a charcoal kind of grey. Again, long sleeved and it's ribbed, it's really lightweight and just super cute, and got like just a really like lovely kind of little neckline at the top. I just thought it was really nice. This one again is in a size 8 and I just thought I could wear that either with like leggings or jeans or whatever and just be super comfortable in. So that's that vibe. The last things that I wanted to show you guys are a cord. And of course I've fucking undone it. Hold on, let me just put it back together for you. So this is from like the ski range that PLT do, and I quite liked it. It was just like a super cozy, so it's like the après ski. It's like a green, I'd say like a forest green. Oh, I don't even know if that's a thing. Is that just like an air freshener? So yeah, these are basically, again, kind of like a ribbed kind of style. Super cute, buttoned down at the front, although I don't think I'll be using those. This is a size 10. They are just very, like, I'd say wide-legged the whole way down, stupidly comfortable, and again, perfect for me with my height. So they'd probably be a little bit taller, like a little bit more stature on anyone else who's a bit shorter, but you can obviously raise them up or raise them down. I like to wear them around my hips. I think these are quite high-waisted actually, so yeah, I wear them quite high, but obviously you can pull them down a bit if you wanted to, or up. And then with it, it comes with, well, I bought, obviously, sorry, it's like a little set if you buy both. I bought this little top with it as well, so that's just like a crop top that again has the buttons down the middle, and that one was a size 8, and I just really like that for like around the house. I thought that was dead cute. Exactly the same material, same colour, everything. I just thought for around the house that would be really pretty, or like running errands and stuff in the spring. So yeah, love it. Also on the website, that little cord set did say they'd had like some super high waisted kind of like meshy kind of pinky almost looking like, I'd say pants with them. So I've actually got some, and I just paired it with it anyway, just to kind of see what I felt. You could wear it obviously without them, but I just kind of paired it with it because that's what it said to do on the website. And actually I think they look quite cute, so I actually quite like the vibe. I actually wear these underneath dresses and stuff like that, or just for like a high-waisted day. So yeah, with like certain outfits they look really cool. These I think were actually from PLT as well at one point, but they were massively running low on stock. So annoyingly, I think they may have sold out. They were either from PLT or ASOS. Annoyingly, I think they may have sold out. That is everything. So I really hope you enjoyed my haul. I will be sure to link everything below for you, and go check them out. Also, I kind of want to do like maybe like men's fashion, because I really love some men's stuff. So I was thinking maybe to do like a Boohoo man haul, or like something like that, or like an ASOS man haul, something that like is men's clothing, because I find it super comfortable. I love it. I live in it. If you've got partners, you'll get it. It's just super, it's a vibe. So I just wanted to, yeah, see if you guys would be interested in that, because actually I think, speaking to like people that I know, girls are like, oh my god, fucking love men's clothing. If you're not interested, then obviously that's a different story, let me know. But yeah, just thought maybe, you know, throw it out there. Thanks for watching guys, and sticking to the end. I love yous. Bye.